Healience происходит слияние с природой и душой, и телом. Чувствуется полный отдых от городской суеты. Главным преимуществом Healience является камерность номеров, из которых открывается шикарный вид на территорию резорта. Также каждый номер оборудован балконом, с которого можно сделать шикарные фотографии с видом на горы и на лес.
It is actually my third time coming here to Healience, and I really love this place because every time we come here, we find new attractions or experiences that we have not had before. It's really great, and all the mountains and stuff. While living in Seoul, you don't really have an opportunity to have relax and rest. So yeah, this place is really wonderful if you want to just relax. And I also wanted to mention food here because the restaurant in Healience is really amazing. It provides you with all kinds of delicious food, which is very healthy, no greasy food, no fats and stuff. So even if you're a vegan or you don't eat meat or seafood, you will find options that you will like.
This is my second time being here, and honestly with the lifestyle and the dynamics of the big cities, this is the perfect place for me to refresh my mind and soul and reconnect with my body. Healience is a perfect place to come and spend your weekend and get back to work with your fresh mind once again.
Я восхищена людьми, которые проделали колоссальную работу для создания этого места и его умиротворительной атмосферы.
Well, as I mentioned before, it's my third time here in Healience, and I'm definitely sure that I will come here again and again because this place is really unique. Korea has a lot of tourist attractions and places to visit, but Healience, and only Healience, will provide you with the opportunity to escape from the stress and routine. And I don't know, just come here and feel the freedom, feel the relaxation. It's really great. And definitely try the sauna, it's amazing.
I will recommend this place to everyone because nature, food, everything here is fresh and clean. The services are perfect and you can always find an entertaining program of your own taste.